152 Blacksmith Road in Camp Hill. We are out 100 feet looking at the main connection. We are in 6-inch terracotta. We're going to pull back to the rear stack in the basement. Right here, it goes from 6-inch terracotta to 4-inch cast iron. The problem is here in the cast iron, as you can see, it's built up pretty good, and there's a lot of filings in it. We propose that we dig a clean out in the yard where we marked. It is 8 foot deep. And try to run our sewer jet back up the line to pull all these filings out. Get the line cleaned and make sure the line is in good shape. But as you can see, there's a bunch of corrosion in the cast iron pipe. The rust, just has been rusting off and it falls in the line. Shake it around a little. There you go. And there's a little bit of this the whole way back through the line here. And it's only a 3-inch axis, so we cannot get a bigger blade through the line to get this line cleaned better. Plus the stuff just lays in the line, so therefore it'd be a wise idea to dig it up, jet the material off the sides of the pipe, and be good to go. There's a good picture of all the cast iron filings in the line. They just need to be getting out of the pipe somehow. And we are out of the pipe. End of tape.